package shit. Today we've got fridge, bubbly blue. We have done the tamarind fridge, you might remember. It exploded in my hand. So let's see what this is. Non-alcoholic carbonated fruit drink. I really like the color. So let's see if I can open this. No problem. Yeah, I can already smell it. It's blueberry, but it smells like blueberry gum, chewing gum. Okay, let's try it. Yeah, there's a lot of apple in it too. It's an apple blueberry drink. Not overly sweet. You didn't like it? That was really weird. I taste more apple than blueberry. So yeah. It's like a novelty thing. It was only like $1, so yeah. Well, weird aftertaste. Like soap. We don't recommend it. So yeah. Next up, we've got another Kazuza. Stay tuned.